Hi, this is Holmes Guide. Welcome to my channel. Today, I review the Samsung Galaxy Ring, an AI smart ring that takes wearable technology to new heights. This innovative fitness monitor and sleep tracker is not just a gadget, it's a seamless extension of your daily life, offering unmatched convenience and cutting-edge features. The Samsung Galaxy Ring starts with a unique sizing experience, as the ring sizes differ from standard ones. To ensure a perfect fit, you can purchase the Samsung Galaxy Ring Sizing Kit on Amazon first, which includes a $10 Amazon credit towards your future ring purchase. This thoughtful touch ensures that your Galaxy Ring fits like a dream, wrapping comfortably around your finger while it diligently collects insights on the quality of your sleep. You won't even notice it's there, yet it's always working to provide valuable data. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Ring is its impressive battery life. Designed for those with active lifestyles, this ring can go up to 7 days without needing a charge. This means less time worrying about charging and more time focusing on your fitness and health goals. Whether you're at the gym, in a business meeting, or having dinner with friends, the elegant and lightweight design of the Galaxy Ring ensures it fits right into any scenario. Its comfort and style make it easy to forget you're wearing a high-tech device. Tracking your health has never been more intuitive. The Galaxy Ring leverages Samsung's advanced AI technology to provide an energy score that helps you understand how ready you are to take on the day. This score is calculated based on your previous day's sleep, heart rate, and steps, offering a comprehensive view of your physical readiness. Remarkably, this is all done without requiring an app subscription, making it accessible and user-friendly. The durability of the Samsung Galaxy Ring is another remarkable feature. Its concave design minimizes scratches, ensuring the ring remains in pristine condition despite everyday wear and tear. Additionally, it's water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking it off during your daily activities or when you're caught in the rain. This everyday durability makes it a reliable companion for all aspects of your life. When it comes to fitness, the Galaxy Ring simplifies your workouts. Just hop on the treadmill and start exercising. The ring intuitively begins tracking your activity without any manual input. This seamless integration into your fitness routine allows you to focus on your workout while the Galaxy Ring handles the data collection, providing the insights you need to improve and achieve your goals. The Samsung Galaxy Ring also offers personalized wellness tips, enhancing the value it brings to your daily routine. By tracking your activities and reviewing them each morning with your phone, you receive tailored advice to make the most out of every day. This personalized approach helps you stay motivated and informed about your health. Heart health monitoring is more precise than ever with the improved heart rate tracking feature. The Galaxy Ring filters out your body's movements, providing a more accurate reading of your heart rate. This closer read on your body's signals helps you stay informed and proactive about your cardiovascular health. For those looking to understand their cycle better, the Galaxy Ring is an invaluable tool. It acts as a personal tracker, offering insights right from your finger. By sensing slight changes in your body temperature, it provides a comprehensive view of your cycle, helping you take the guesswork out of understanding your health. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is not just a piece of technology, it's a revolutionary step in personal health and fitness monitoring. Its design, durability, and advanced features make it a must-have for anyone looking to take control of their health and wellness in a stylish and convenient way. With no app subscription required and a battery life that supports an active lifestyle, the Galaxy Ring is poised to become an essential accessory for tech-savvy health enthusiasts.